actually been waiting for a couple things, but Hermes are the most amazing delivery company ever. I haven't got the other stuff. As you know, DPD, serious. I ordered these actually last week and they said they'll be here in about 3-4 weeks. Actually, they gave me a really long date. And well, they've arrived, of course, from Nike. You see the box. I don't really care about that. I love this bit, the sound. Let's just throw the box away. Air Max 98. I don't know what it says. Black, metallic, silver, oil grey, noir, agent, metallic. Basically, black on black. Which is what I ordered. Black on black. With a little hint of silver. Really little. Oh, these are actually quite nice, you know. A lot of leather. And I love leather on trainers. Just knowing from... I'm just waffling right now. Just from back in the day, I used to love wearing all leather. I'm not really a fan of a lot of mesh, and I'm happy that these have got a lot of leather on them. I don't really like other materials, I just really like leather. If this was leather, oh my days. But I think that would be a bit too much. But they actually look really good. Yeah, these are actually really nice. I like how clean they are. Oh man, I should have got another pair, you know. I might just order another pair. Really. Reason being I bought these, they go with everything. Nice clean shoe. They are quite comfortable. Very comfortable actually. For the winter I actually bought these, so I just buy trainers, save them for another day. Or in this case, I save them for a whole nother bloody season. In a couple months I'll probably be wearing these. I will do an on foot video to just show everyone how they are. These are a size 10. I normally wear size 10 in all Nikes except for Air Forces, which are size 9 for me, and also Jordans, which I wear 9.5. I'd say just go for true sizing or try them on in a shop before you buy them. But right now, shout out Corona, got everything locked down, so we can't really even try them on in the shop. But Nike do offer returns, and that's where I bought them from. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop waffling. I really wanted this to be a longer video with a bunch of unboxings, because I've ordered a ton of stuff from online. Range of football shirts, trainers, tracksuits, a lot really. I've been going crazy with this ordering, but thanks for watching. Just watch the other video, the on feet video, to see how they look on foot, which I would actually think they look quite good. But yeah, just check out the other video when it drops. Thanks for watching this pointless one.